If you see me with the chancletas, the Puma BMW Motorsports, you know we're working hard today. About to do a delivery for E30 Mob. Look at that oil on it. That's how you know this engine was warm and clean. So just know she's almost loaded.
Some goodies coming to the Eurosports. For my buddy Easy.
Well, you don't really need it anyway. But look, this line right here.
On my way with my beautiful wife to buy a transmission for Project Tiffany. She's ignoring me. She's a good sport. And I love her, and I love her. So big shout out to Libby. He's selling me the ZF Trans. You know, this is awesome. Give me an incredible price. So yo, thank you so much. Give him a follow. I'm gonna tag him below. He's giving me the bracket and everything. So I'm gonna post one of his cars. So he's doing a swap, or it is swapped.
It is swapped.
It's already swapped. So he's used to this already. So yeah, big shout out, man. I love this BMW community. I did, as you guys recall, I don't know if some of you recall, I did that other build. What was it, old Betsy was it? And that was impossible, but at least with the BMW community, it's so much easier. And homeboy gave me an incredible price. Thank you, Libby.
You're welcome.
Stay tuned, guys. Mrs. just helped me. Hey. Thank you. Yeah, she just helped me out. So it's in the garage. So now I got motor and trans. Big shout out to Libby again, man. Guy took good care of me.